just sail around and see the islands and just relax for a while. So I had the opportunity to come along with Thailand and just see everything. So I will take you guys with me and enjoy watching.
First we had to take a speedboat to the yacht, which is located in the middle of the Andaman Ocean. We had to go separately, so me and a friend of Thailand went first.
What is your name?
My name is Vladimir. I'm from Russia.
Which city?
Vladivostok.
Ah, nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful place?
Yes, very beautiful.
Okay. You like Phuket?
Of course I like Phuket.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Meet our sailor of the day. He is not only our sailor for the speedboat, but also our sailor on the yacht. The ride on the speedboat is really fun, as you can see.
Good morning. Now we are in Andaman Sea. Yay!
After everybody got on board, the speedboat got tied up behind the yacht since we still need the speedboat to go to the several islands where we will be heading next to. And there was also a jet ski, which is a very cool activity. Since I was a guest, I didn't know if it was okay to film, but everyone knew that I was a travel YouTuber and encouraged me to make a video of this day. Since not everyone is comfortable to be on a video, I decided to not film the group. I hope you all can understand that. Now let me show you the yacht. We will start at the first floor. The front of the yacht, you can chill here on the sofas, just relax and enjoy the sun and scenery. Here you can find the kitchen. They are preparing for a barbecue right now. There are also some private rooms downstairs, but I cannot show them to you. Further on you got the toilet and a bathroom. This part is the living room. We are now going to the back of the yacht right now.
The beach here is super beautiful. It is clear blue water and it's so amazing, so refreshing.
We are now at Koh Phi Phi, also known as Phi Phi Island. Koh Phi Phi is a peaceful island about 5 kilometers off the east coast of Phuket. Koh Phi Phi Island is very relaxing and typically tropic. Even the water is tropically warm since the temperature is between 25 Celsius to 35 Celsius. After a swim and a sunbath, it was time to go back to the yacht, since we still had to go to another island.
How are you? How are you? Good? Where are you going now? Phi Island. Yeah, we are going to Phi Island from Phuket. It takes just 2 hours by our speedboat.
We are now at the second floor of the yacht and I will be showing you guys around. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. You?
I'm very nice. I'm enjoying now Andaman Sea. This is Andaman Sea around here. This island we call Green Island. This is very nice island, but We are going to Phi Phi Island. It's from here. It's around 30 kilometers.
Yes.
So we are going to Phi Phi Island, biggest island, Phi Phi Island.
Yes.
Phi Phi Islands is Thailand's island superstar. It's been in the movies. It's the topic of conversation for travelers all over Thailand. For some, it's the only reason to visit Thailand. The islands came to worldwide prominence when the Phi Phi Islands were used as a location for the 2000 British-American film The Beach. Phi Phi Islands feature beaches and clear water that have had their natural beauty protected by national park status.
Monkey Beach, and I haven't seen a monkey so far, but I guess he will come later. But I heard they can be aggressive, so it's also fine for me if I don't see them.
With the amount of monkeys here, I won't recommend you to leave your stuff behind. The monkeys can steal anything if you look away for a second. Even if you pay attention, by the way. So don't try to fight with the monkeys because they can become very aggressive and bite you.
Is the water nice?
Yes, so nice. This water is so nice.
The rock formations that you will find here are beyond words incredible. After our visit to the beach side of Phi Phi Islands, we sailed further to see other rock formations and enjoyed watching the sunset. We had barbecue for lunch as well as for dinner because why not?
subscribed yet, subscribe here down below. And see you next time. Bye bye.